Hello dear learners, this is Md Samsul Alam and you are most welcome to Sam's Online School. I hope you are fine and I am also fine. Today I am going to discuss about a very important grammar topic, and that is capitalization rules. Though it is an easy grammatical topic, most of us make mistake in it and we fail to use them correctly in our writings. So dear learners, if you watch this video without taking any pause, you will be able to use them correctly in your writings. Dear learners, I am going to present it to you with a simple rule, and you have to remember just a word, and the word is means. Okay dear learners, I have made a structure for you. Here you will find 3 columns. One is the sign, another one is uses, and next one is example. The first sign is M, and totally it is means, M-I-N-T-S, means. And the first sign is M, and M for month, days, holidays. So you have to write the capital letters for every month, every day. I mean January, February, March. This name will be in capital letters. Days, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. These days first letter will be capital letters, and holidays also. Here is some example. January is the first month of a year, so January, the first letter of January will be capital letter. Today is Friday. Here Friday is a day, so the first letter of Friday is a capital letter. Tomorrow is the Valentine's Day. The Valentine's Day is a holiday, so the first letter of Valentine's Day is a capital letter. Then I is for the pronoun I and interjection. The pronoun I will be capital letters. In anywhere in it will be a capital letter, and the interjection words will be in capital letters. Look at the examples. Masood and I went to the market. This pronoun I is always a capital letter. Now next one, wait here until I return. This pronoun is a capital letter. And the interjection words like alas, oh, surprise, wow, the first letter of these words will be capital letters. Now N is for name of people, place, language, and nationalities. So the name of people, the name of any place, the name of any language, and the name of any nationalities will be in capital letters. The first letter of people, place, language, and nationalities will be in capital letter. So look at the examples. Mr. Rafi is a doctor. Sorry, Mr. Rafi is a doctor. So name of people, a Rafi, the first letter of Rafi is a capital letter. Dhaka is the capital city. Dhaka is a place, and the first letter of Dhaka is capital letter. So Dhaka is a capital city. English is a foreign language. English is a language, so the first letter of English is capital letter. The Japanese are very industrious. So here Japanese nationalities, the Japanese are very industrious. So the first letter of Japanese will be capital letters. And the next sign is T. T is for titles of people, book, and movies. T is for titles of people, book, and movies. The titles of people will be in capital letters. The title or name of book will be in capital letter. And the movies, the name of movies, renowned movies, will be in capital letters. So look at the examples. Dr. John is a kind man. So doctor is a title here, and the first letter is a capital letter. Next example, the Gitanjali of Tagore is recited by many people. Gitanjali is a renowned book of Rabindranath Tagore. So the first letter of Gitanjali is a capital letter. The Gitanjali of Rabindranath Tagore is recited by many people. Next example, the Titanic is most viewed movie. The Titanic is a most viewed movie. So Titanic is the name of a movie, and the first letter is capital letter. Then first letter is a capital because it is the name of a movie. And next sign is S. S is for start of sentences, quotations. Start of sentences and quotations. So the starting word of every sentence will be a capital letter, and the starting and the starter of a quotation word will be capital letter. Look at the examples of where is my school bag. Here the first letter of starting sentence, starting word of a sentence is capital letter. And next one, the boy said, "You are a liar." So "you are a liar" is in a quotation, inverted comma quotation, and the first letter of the first word of a quotation will be a capital letter. So here we have to remember only these words means. M for month, days, holidays. I for the pronoun and interjection. N for name of people, place, language, nationalities. T is for titles of people, book, movies. Titles of people's books, movies. And S for start of sentence, starting word. And starting of quotation, the first word and the first letter will be in capital letters. So if we are able to remember these sign, these words only, the means, it will be easy for us to remember it, that where to use capital letters. M for month, days, holidays. I for pronoun and interjection. N for name of people, place, language, nationalities. T titles of people, book, movies. S start of sentence and quotations. Start of sentence and quotations. So you have to only remember this word means, then we will get where to use means. So thank you for all today, and we will meet with you again with another topic. Till then, bye bye.